Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. Y'all, I got some mail. Not been able to get to my post office box during the week. Yeah, so Saturday is today. I picked up all the packages today. Yeah, it's unfortunate the hours of the post office kind of coincide with when I'm working, which is I'm thankful to be working, even though it's a temporary position. I'm just thankful to be earning some money. So I thought I would start with the Macy's Beauty Box today. Well, let's do our unboxing of October. I just put some hand lotion on, you guys. My hands are so chapped. Winter's coming. Okay, so here it is, $15 a month. This is what it's going to look like when it comes. It's always wrapped in pink tissue. Oh, look at that, pink tissue. And you do get a little coupon code with your little thing here. Usually it's $5 off. Sometimes they'll give you $10 off, and it's usually like $25 or more. If you spend, you get $5 off. Can't include the box. The box doesn't get counted in the purchase or the spend. So it encourages you to go in and spend monies at Macy's, or you can buy online. So they also include a little QR code with you can scan to learn about all the goodies in the box. So it says, inside your Get Ready With Me ritual. Scan the QR code to learn more. We've got a $5 off your next $20 or more beauty purchase. Valid October 14th through December 14th, 2024. I'm on a no spend right now because of the unemployment, temporary work, looking for long-term actual work. So if anybody wants this code, it is a first come, first serve. You ready? Get ready to screenshot. Okay, first come, first serve. Again, like I said, it comes wrapped up in the pink tissue. So, kind of fun. I wonder if there'll be any fragrances in here. I do have my lavalier microphone on the desk, so try to avoid smacking that. I don't think there's fragrance. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see what it is. Looks like a lot of little samples. I would say this is pretty equivalent to the Ipsy's like introductory glam bag. Gonna get a lot of samples in this. It's $15 a month shipped to you. Okay, first thing we have is Beauty Stat Universal C Skincare Refiner for all skins, it says. 20% vitamin C, and yeah, it's a little sample size. So, of course, all these products you can get at Macy's or online at Macys.com. I'm curious to see if there is a, oh goodness, safety seal. There probably, yep, there is. That's good. Thing is, with vitamin C, you need to keep it out of sunlight. So it needs to be in a sun-proof, light-proof container. Generally should keep it in the refrigerator, but I don't know what this one is. Not a lot on here. It is 0.27 or 37 ounces. 0.37 ounces. It's a little sample size. But vitamin C serum is always nice. I do see a couple of fun things in here. Okay, this one is Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm No Filter Primer. Instantly tightens, firms, and blurs the appearance of lines in pores. Base perfecting, blah, blah, blah. It is 0.17 ounces. So that's kind of funny because this one says 0.27 ounces. This one's 0.27. This one's 0.17. And this one looks bigger. Let's see if there's a safety seal. I've tried a few Peter Thomas Roth products. There is. So I'm curious to try this. You know, usually with samples this size, you're going to get a 2 to 4 uses out of it, depending on how crazy you go. You could get 1 use out of this if you go nuts, but okay, what do we got here? Oh, Clarins Buddy. 1-step gentle exfoliating cleanser, 5 milliliters or 1 ounce. It's in a box, so it's in a box. And interesting thing is there's a sticker, barcode sticker on here that is very clearly an after the fact put on to cover something up on the box. I always find that suspicious. Pardon the hair, guys. a long story behind the day. It's Saturday. It's been a long day. Got caught out in a rainstorm. So went through the shower, dried my hair. I have a couple of clips in my hair to hold it all up, and I don't care. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Are you sensing a theme here? I am. Itty bitties. So, yeah, One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. Okay, I'll try it. Probably get a couple uses out of it, right? We got some itty bitties. This looks like a little like blush or something. Oh god, you can't. Black on black text is I don't understand why they do that, but nude sticks, nude matte. Where's the color? Shade is cherry. Okay, cherry is the shade. Oh my god. Woo, cherry is the shade. I can't talk. So there it is. So Nude Sticks is the brand. It's Nudestix for Nude Sticks. Yeah, it's a little hard to read because it's black on black. It's a matte back and then the text is shiny, so that's weird. Well, let's take a look at it. There it is. Honestly, not a fan of this kind of thing. I'm really not. I mean, it's pretty, but yeah, can hardly read it. All over face blush color. Okay, like I said, sherry is the color, and it's kind of like cherry. Okay. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of that kind of blush. This is weird. Not gonna lie. It's a little weird. This is where scanning that QR code probably would have come in handy. Although I'm not a fan of scanning QR codes because you can end up with a virus. But let's see what this is. I can tell you what I think it is, but it probably is not. It looks a little suspect. Does it turn? Does it pop off? What does it do? I don't know what it does. Okay. Oh. Okay. Did I break it? There's a piece. I'm thinking I broke it. This is really weird. Maybe I broke it? Oh, there it went back together again. I don't know what this is. So I'm confused. Maybe I should not have put on the lotion. I don't know what this is. Okay, well, it looks like maybe a highlighter, or I don't understand this. Nope, still coming off. Still comes apart the same way. You guys. Okay. Well, I'm breaking it again. Oh, jeez. Honestly, you guys, this is weird. Whoever thought of this little marketing, whatever this is, I don't get it. I don't get it. What is it supposed to do? I don't see any other way for it to come apart. I don't know what this is. Okay. Mystery item. Okay, so this is we know what this is. This is a brand we all know. Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. So that's cool. Obviously, sample size. Anastasia Beverly Hills does a lot of stuff this size for beauty boxes, which is nice. It's nice, So the color is soft brown. There's the color. So that's cool. I'm curious. We're going to go ahead and open this. I don't know what that other thing is. It's kind of trying to fall apart now, so whatever. It's weird. It's weird. I don't know. Okay, here's the little Anastasia Beverly Hills. We've gotten these a couple of times over the years, right? So here's your spoolie end. Pretty up the brows. And, okay. There. Ooh, I like it. Let's see. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the shade. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Soft brown is the color. Oh, hello. Are you gonna? Very soft brown. Okay, I'm not really a fan of this. There we go. We'll just do it like that. So I'm doing some. It's definitely like a pencil-y kind of. It's a softer pencil. So I kind of smudged it and then I made some lines. And yeah, I made a mess. But you know, it's not been a good week. Let's just say that. Let's just go with the fact it's not been a good week. We're clearly not having a good week, but it's a pretty color. I will use this. So probably one of the nicer items in the box. Whatever. I mean, I'm not a fan of blushes like this, y'all. So I'll just put this in like my collection of stuff for giveaways because I know I won't use that. I don't know what the deal is with this. I don't know if I broke it. it's just, I don't know what it's doing now. There we go. I couldn't get it apart, and now I don't know. I don't know. What is this? Tell me in the comments, you guys. I'm not going to scan the QR code. It's funny. It's just the weirdest. It's got no name on it whatsoever. There's no markings. There's nothing in here with markings. You know what we can do? We can try to figure out what this is. It doesn't smell like anything. Does it? What is this? I mean, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Like, what is this supposed to do? What, like, I don't know what, it doesn't come out. I don't know what this is. What is this? Wow. I call this confusing and weird. Really funny. Okay, so we got, I don't know what this is. We got that. We got the nice Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. We've got this. Like I said, I'm not going to use that. I'll go in giveaway collection. We got this Beauty Best Vitamin C. I'll definitely use that. Vitamin C, you guys put that on in the morning. Don't put that on at night if you're going to use retinol, vitamin A. But it's a good antioxidant. Helps combat this sun damage and stuff. So this actually will help your SPF, your sun protection factor stuff, work better. A vitamin C will. This is a Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm No Prime Filter. Definitely will give that a whirl. And then Clarins Body One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. I'll throw that probably in the shower to use in the shower. It'll get a couple uses out of that. I'll try that, but I got no words for that. I don't know what that is. All right, let me know what you guys think. I mean, other than the random, God knows what that is. This is not bad. I do wish I got some perfume samples, but I realize I can't cry and whine about that forever, so it is what it is. But let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. $15 shipped to you every month. Some months they will have a brand that'll take over the whole box, and you'll get an entire brand's worth. And sometimes like this, you get a bunch of different brands. So it's kind of been fun. There are some months that are better than others. Sometimes you'll get a little makeup bag in there, which is, a couple times a year you might get that. I don't need that. I had so many of them from when I used to subscribe to Ipsy's base bag. It is going to be mostly samples. I would say that every now and then we do get a full-size product, 1 or 2 full-size products. Yeah, I think you get a couple a year. I haven't really recorded it to figure out if it's like once a quarter you get a full-size item. I haven't paid that close of attention, but it's been a pretty fun subscription. There are some months that are just not great. This one, not bad. So let me know your thoughts, like I said, down below, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. But I will see y'all on my next video. Okay, bye, guys.